Yeah, I think I see there's a lot of promise right now already at this like very early stage. Within this SDV, I can see I think it's going to have a joint collaboration effort between multiple open source initiatives like SOAFEE, COVESA, and obviously us here at Eclipse SDV. Also very big at the moment is this talking of how we migrate from, say, things like more classical things like AUTOSAR, and how we help to evolve and work together with them to bring to life the software-defined vehicle. So I think we're on a really great track here, and it's great to see more projects and more code already. That's a great question. I have some bias here. I have my COVESA badge on as like supporting VSS and the projects that we work on in that initiative. So in terms of standards, I think I'm thinking like open standards such as VSS or industry-led standards. I think today was a very, very cool example of the need for us to discuss more in the community here at SDV, how that looks. We had interesting propositions from Microsoft as well, like around DTDL. And obviously then there's some great work that T-Systems brought in, bringing in the bridge to AUTOSAR and even actually AUTOSAR Classic, which again is another standard. So I think we have now the work ahead of us, which is exciting. As I say, like this is going to be a joint effort we can all do together here on open industry-led standards that ideally we do sort of code first. So there are no options for misinterpretation of a specification being written. We go from code first, show developers how a standard can look, and give them the ability to not only downstream but upstream into standards. I think that's a big challenge, and it's been touched on by Red Hat, Microsoft, and others, that a standard will only be truly adopted and successful, I believe, if we can enable both downstreaming and upstreaming, so everyone can contribute what they need for the standard.